How to fix aluminum patio furniture that has been chipped. Vintage aluminum patio furniture can add color and charm to your yard or patio. These pieces, including chairs, tables and gliders, once sat in nearly every backyard, offering durability and comfort. If you have or want aluminum patio furniture, you will likely need to know how to repair the damage time has caused. Rust and wear have left small or large cracks, chips and holes in vintage aluminum patio furniture, but these can be fixed with just a few supplies and a few hours of your time. Things you will need: scrub brush, cleanser, wire brush, Bondo or a similar product, rust repair patch or fine wire mesh, epoxy or superglue, sandpaper, both coarse and fine, spray paint, latex gloves, mask, spatula for mixing. Visit your local auto repair shop. You will find a variety of auto body repair products like Bondo, Rust Bullet, and Pour 15. Each can be used to repair vintage aluminum patio furniture. These products are designed to bond with the metal surface, providing structural integrity to rusted, chipped or damaged areas. Clean the entire piece of furniture, paying special attention to areas in need of repair. Soapy water and a scrub brush will work well, or you can use a power washer if you have one available. A degreasing cleanser may be used to remove built-up dirt. Use a wire brush or a wire brush drill bit to remove all surface rust, damage and paint from the area to be repaired on your vintage patio furniture. Keep in mind that larger chips, cracks or holes will require that you prepare a much larger surface area. Clean the area to be repaired and remove all dust. Adhere wire mesh to the back surface of your aluminum patio furniture with superglue or epoxy if necessary. This step is required for large cracks and holes to repair structural integrity. Allow adequate drying time. Mix body repair paste to the necessary consistency. If you are using Bondo, the branded mixing spatulas are a convenient illustration of the correct end color. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the desired consistency. The product should be thick, but remain spreadable. Work on small amounts at one time to avoid it hardening before you are ready to use it. Apply to the cracks, chips or holes in your aluminum porch furniture. Aim to create a fairly smooth surface to reduce sanding and finishing time. Sand the surface smooth using progressively finer grit sandpaper. Clear of all dust and spray paint as desired, using several coats for good coverage on your vintage patio furniture. Tips: warnings. Wear a mask and gloves for safety and cleanliness. Choose spray paint made for exterior surfaces. Significant damage in the seat of a chair or glider may not be repairable. Monitor repaired areas for additional damage regularly.